Literally, I'm not gonna call any names in particular. I don't want to like diss up anybody's fave. But I'm just saying, like, I feel like on two, you're frightened for hype. Uno frightened for hype, like Wooly but a girl are frightened for hype. At least with the men, like with Jamaican men, you can see why they like Jada Kingdom. I like Jada Kingdom. You can see why they like Shensia. I like Shensia. You can see why them like Spice. Spice body turn up. Spice is like one of my favorite female dancehall artists. So I can see why I like them. Like, as a woman, I can see why men like these women. But like, how una like off some of them people, your dog? Like, they are my sleep paralysis demons. Like, I swear to God, me wake up in the middle of the night and it's king and hold me down.